Good morning, everyone. Class, today we are going to start our third chapter, that is Boolean logic. And in this class, you will learn how computer take the statements and how computer work on it, and how we can use that concept to make our own programming concepts, or you can say programming softwares we can develop. So this is a part of the programming that we can use within the programs. So class, Boolean logic. In this class, development of Boolean logic, in this George Boole, he was the man who has started talking about the logics for mathematical problems and how to implement that. It was how to implement that concept in computer and in every field of the life. So for that, Boolean algebra or a Boolean logic has been developed. Now now we are going to proceed. You will come to know very soon what is this actually. So class, first of all, binary valued quantities, or you can say the statement for which we can say yes or no. For example, the first statement, here it is written, Indira Gandhi was only woman president of India. So class, this statement is a true statement, you can say. Second statement, 13 minus 2 is 11, you can say true. Delhi is the biggest state in India, that's false. But how do you say? This is a statement as such for which you cannot say true or false. So these are not the binary valued quantities, or you can say these are not the statements of Boolean algebra for which you cannot say true or false. Now class, logical operator that binds these statements together. Number 1 is AND, number 2 is OR, then is the NOT. Now class, we are going to study how to combine the statements. So first of all, he prefer tea not coffee. So here not is used. He plays guitar and she plays sitar. So and, you all know the meaning of this and, means both the statements must be true. Next, or I watch TV on Sunday or go for swimming. Either or condition. So for this, condition is not true. For this, both the conditions should be true. And for this, either of the condition is true. So class, in this way we are going to study the statements, and we have to say true or false for the statement. So class, first of all, let us start with the not. Now what not says? Not says, the symbol for not is this. Suppose I have a input and the not of it I have to represent, I will represent like this. So class, it gives the opposite result. If input is 0, that is a false, then it will say true. If it is true, then it is false. If I say in a Venn diagram, in a diagram, this is x, then what is not x? This part is not the x. So in that way it works. Suppose I have a number from 1 to 10, and my x is all the even number, then this will definitely be the odd number. I have number here from 1 to 10. All the even numbers are in this circle. If I put all this in circle and I say it is x, then what is not x? It is the odd numbers. So in that condition, in mathematics, you must be doing this. Now class, the new thing for you, OR operator. OR operator says if both the conditions are false, then it is false. If either of the condition is true, then it is true. If both the condition is true, then it is true. Means only in one condition it is false, when both are false. It is denoted by plus symbol. This is the symbol for it, as they have used here also. Now this we call a truth table, as we have made for previous also. This is the truth table. Similarly, in next, this is the truth table. So truth table, how to make this truth table? There are two inputs. In single input it is okay, one will be 0, one will be 1. But if there are two inputs, then we have to make like this: 2 to the power n, that is 4 records. 4 will be there, 1 2 3 and 4. Now this 4 is divided here in the first one as 0 0 1 1, means half are 0 and half are 1. In next one it is 0 1 0 1. Then you will have all the combinations. If you will proceed like this, we can make in our own ways also, but this is the best way to make. First in x, half zeros half 1, then 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. So this is the way in which we can make the all the possible inputs. So class C, in this first input both are 0, so it is 0. Both are either of them is 1 in this, so it is 1 1. Both are 1, then it is 1. So on this logic OR works. Now talking about AND. AND is denoted by this dot. Here you can see. Now how it works? It works like, if both the conditions are true, then only it is true, otherwise it is false. So class, again the input is made like that: half zeros half 1, then 1 0 1 1 combination, 0 1 0 1, 2 zeros 2 1. Now finally the result is this: when both are 0, both are 1, then it is 1, otherwise it is 0. So on this condition, means both the statements should be true, then only it will result true. As you have done in programming also, when you are using the AND operator and the AND logical operator and OR logical operator. So the same concept is here. It is actually developed from here. Now I want to teach you how to create a truth table in another way. Suppose I want this y z naught. So for that, 3 inputs are there. If it is given 3 inputs are there, 3 input means 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So you can see half zeros half 1, then 2 0 2 1 combination, 2 0 2 1, then 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Again you see half zeros half 1, that is 4 zeros 4 1, then 2 0 2 1 combination, then 1 0 1 1 combination. Now class, we have to get this y z naught. So how we will get? First of all, y dot z, we have to get y z naught means yz, then uska naught. So first of all y z naught, so means AND operator. Dot means AND operator. This will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 1, because both are 1. This will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 1, because both are 1. Now what we have to get? We have to get the not of it. Not means just opposite. 0 ka 1, 0 ka 1, 0 ka 1, 0 1 ka 0, 0 ka 1, 0 ka 1, 0 ka 1, 1 ka 0. In this way class, we have to proceed. There are more examples that I have developed for you, and it is in your book also class. So I have chosen these much examples. So class, next is your this x y z naught. Y z naught you have already done in previous one. Now we have to do OR of this with x. So 0 plus 1, that is 0 or 1, it will be 1. 0 or 1, it will be 1. 0 or 1, it will be 1. 0 or 0, it will be 0. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 0 1. So class, this is the final output that we have got for this. Now some more questions are there class. This you have to do. In this also, using the boolean verify the table that x plus xy is equals to x. So first xy we will find this one part. So xy we have got, xy means x dot y. So it will be 0, it will be 0, it will be 0, it will be 1. Because in AND condition both are 1, then it is only 1. Now finally what we have to get? This and this OR. So this and this. So 0 0 OR is 0, 0 0 OR is 0 again, 1 1 1 0 is 1 and 1 1 is 1. Addition symbol. Addition symbol is for OR. So class, that's all. Till here you do in your notebook, you make the notes. We have to proceed class because as according to the half yearly syllabus it is very less. In finals there are many topics to do. So before half yearly we have to cover some of the chapters. That's all class.